Upgrade your bathroom with the ultimate in hygiene and convenience. These top 5 auto-open-close lid smart toilets combine hands-free technology, powerful flushing, personalized bidet functions, and sleek design. Discover the best in modern comfort, where luxury meets practicality with every visit. Number 1. Deer Valley Auto Open Close Smart Toilet. The Deer Valley Auto Open Close Smart Toilet redefines modern bathroom luxury with a 100% touch-free experience. The lid automatically opens as you approach and flushes as you leave, offering hands-free hygiene. Its spa-like features include instant warm water cleansing, a rapid warm air dryer, and heated seats for ultimate comfort, no toilet paper required. Spa mode enhances your experience with a soft LED night light, built-in deodorizer, and self-cleaning wand with adjustable pressure and positioning, all controlled via remote. The powerful warm air dryer ensures a paperless, refreshing cleanse. Perfect for low water pressure areas and power outages, it features a built-in tank and pump for consistent flushing power, plus a mechanical flush option when electricity fails. Its high-efficiency dual flush system, 1.6 GPF for solids and 1.1 GPF for liquids, saves up to 20% water annually. Designed for convenience, it installs in just 30 minutes with included accessories and clear guides. Backed by the 24th of July customer support and a 12-month warranty, the Deer Valley Smart Toilet delivers luxury, reliability, and peace of mind. Number 2. Alphabath Auto Open Close Smart Toilet. The Alphabath Auto Open Close Smart Toilet blends high-tech convenience with health-conscious design. Certified by CUPC, DOE, EPA WaterSense, ADA, and MAP, it guarantees quality, water efficiency, and accessibility. The built-in water tank and pump-assisted flush ensure a powerful performance, even in low-pressure areas, with a manual flush option available during power outages. A standout feature is the unique healthcare wash mode, offering a soothing hot and cold massage clean that promotes blood circulation. Enjoy a tailored hygiene experience with self-cleaning, front, rear, and oscillating wash functions, all designed for personal comfort. The 360-degree tsunami flush system delivers a gravity-powered vortex that removes waste effectively while conserving water, earning a 1000 GMAP score. With smart sensing, the lid opens and closes automatically and flushes as you leave. Choose a remote or foot sensor for a completely touch-free experience. Additional comforts include a heated seat, instant warm water, warm air dryer, deodorizer, LED night light, and ADA-compliant height for easy use. Installation is simple with provided guides and videos, backed by responsive customer support. Number 3. Horo Auto Open Close Lid Smart Toilet. The Horo Auto Open Close Lid Smart Toilet delivers a seamless, hands-free experience with advanced motion sensors that automatically open and close the lid as you approach and leave. Say goodbye to touching dirty handles and hello to elevated hygiene. Equipped with a powerful dual flush system and built-in water pump, this smart toilet intelligently adjusts between a full or half flush based on how long you're seated, ensuring optimal water savings without compromising performance. For a personalized clean, the self-cleaning nozzle offers front wash, rear wash, and pulse massage modes, with adjustable water temperature and pressure for your ideal comfort. The heated seat, customizable across 6 levels, and integrated warm air dryer ensure a cozy, paperless finish to your routine. Built for modern convenience and wellness, the Horo Smart Toilet is as practical as it is luxurious. It's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, 12-month replacement warranty, and responsive customer support available within 24 hours. Discover comfort and cleanliness redefined with Horo. Number 4. Uncle Brown Auto Open Close Lid Bday Toilet. The Uncle Brown Auto Open Close Lid Bday Toilet offers a modern, touchless upgrade to your bathroom. As you approach, the lid automatically lifts, and it closes upon departure, providing a fully hands-free and hygienic experience. This feature can easily be controlled via the included remote for added flexibility. For added convenience, this luxury smart toilet includes a mechanical foot kick button. Lift the lid or seat with a simple tap, ideal for men. Another tap flushes and closes the lid, all without touching a single surface. Unlike sensor-based systems, the mechanical button provides greater accuracy and reliability. This one-piece toilet and bidet combo features upgraded oscillating wash modes, air-in-water technology for enhanced coverage, and fully adjustable settings for water, seat, and dryer temperatures. The built-in night light provides guidance in the dark, and the UV light, deodorizer, and self-cleaning nozzle maintain a fresh, healthy environment. With its sleek design and smart functionality, the Uncle Brown toilet redefines luxury and cleanliness in any modern bathroom. Number 5. Agnell Auto OpenClose Smart Toilet. The Agnell Auto OpenClose Smart Toilet delivers a futuristic, hands-free bathroom experience with cutting-edge features designed for comfort, hygiene, and convenience. The lid opens automatically when you approach and closes as you leave, while the built-in night light and auto-deodorization ensure a fresh and welcoming environment at all times. Enjoy a personalized clean with 4 wash modes: rear, feminine, oscillating, and impulse wash, along with adjustable water temperature, pressure, and nozzle position. The built-in booster pump powers a strong, effective flush every time, even in low-pressure areas, and the automatic flush engages the moment you're done. Foot and seat sensors allow for effortless, touch-free control of lid, seat, and flushing functions. The advanced water cleaning system features multi-stage filtration and delivers instant warm water through a detachable, self-cleaning nozzle for easy maintenance. Its tankless, space-saving design is ideal for any bathroom size, and the clearly labeled remote control ensures intuitive operation. Backed by a 12-month warranty and ETL CUPC certification, Agnell offers reliable luxury in every detail.